Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about Fourier Transform. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find about f. So that should be about this one minus negative 8 over number 2, and we divide by 2. So this one we have 8 over number 2. Now we can apply the formula of Fourier transformation. Here is about the formula in here. Now I will put 8 over 2 of f go in here and here. Similar for this one. And this one. Now about f of x, we just have only 1 over 8. So I will put 1 over 8 gone here. 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 Now we need to find this one. So this one we will have 2 over 8 multiplied by s over 8, and we have the bounds from negative a over 2 to positive a over 2. So we calculate this one, and we have 2 over 8. Now let's go to this one. So this one we have 2 over 8. So we have a square in here. This one we have 2b and s. So the integration of this one, we will have about sine, and that is about 8 over 2bn. And now we will multiply by sine of this one. Now we need to put the bound from negative a over 2 to positive a over 2. So this one I will put in here, and negative a over 2 I will put in here. So we will have about 2 sine bn. Now we simplify number 2, we cancel 8 we cancel. Now let's go for bn. This is bn. Now 1 over a over 2 multiplied by 1 over 8. And we have 2 over a square. The integration of this one, we have negative cosine, and we will have about 2 that's it, about like this, a over 2bn. And we have cosine of this one. And we put the bounds from negative a over 2 to positive a over 2. This one we have number 0. So now we put everything go back in here. So a number 0, that is about 2, 8. This one, that is about this one. This one we have number 0, so we simplify. And this one we have 8. And this one is about 2 over 8. So we need to edit this one. So we have 1 over 8 in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.